Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Gemini. Gemini represents a new era of artificial intelligence, designed by Google to be inherently multimodal. This means it can seamlessly understand and operate across various types of information, including text, images, audio, and even video. It's built for advanced capabilities like complex reasoning, understanding nuanced instructions, and excelling in coding tasks, making it a powerful tool for many applications. Getting started with Gemini is straightforward. You can access it directly through its web interface or find its capabilities integrated into various Google products you already use. When interacting, you have several options. Type your questions, upload images for analysis, or even speak your prompts. Remember, the clearer and more specific your request, the better Gemini can understand and generate a helpful, accurate response tailored to your needs. Gemini offers a wide array of powerful features. It's incredibly adept at summarizing long articles or reports, saving you valuable time. For creative tasks, it can generate diverse content from poems to scripts. Developers will find it useful for coding assistance, debugging, and explaining intricate code. Beyond that, it's an excellent partner for brainstorming new ideas, organizing your daily tasks, and quickly grasping new information across many subjects. To truly unlock Gemini's full potential, mastering effective prompting is key. Always strive to be as specific as possible, providing all necessary context to guide its understanding. Don't hesitate to experiment with various phrasings or keywords. Sometimes a slight change can yield significantly better results. For intricate requests, break them down into smaller, sequential steps. This approach helps Gemini process information more accurately and deliver precise, high-quality outputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.